Selling your home is likely one of the biggest financial transactions you'll make in your life. So today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can make or break this important financial occasion. What happens when the appraisal comes in lower than the offer price? So if you're thinking about or in the process of buying or selling a home, stick around because this information might just save your deal. Imagine this. You've made an offer on your dream home, it's been accepted, and you're under contract. Everything's going smoothly, right? But then the mortgage lender orders an appraisal and it comes back lower than the agreed upon sales price. Now what? Look, don't panic. We're going to break down why this happens and what steps you can take to keep your home sale on track. A low appraisal occurs when an appraiser assigns a property value that's lower than the contract price or simply lower than you expected. But here's some reasons why that might happen. First up, changing real estate markets. Look, the market can be unpredictable, and appraisers rely on recent home sales data and other local influences to determine property value. So unfortunately, this means that valuations can be out of your control due to fluctuating trends. Second, inflated prices. In a housing market with limited inventory, sellers might list their homes well above appraised value and still get multiple offers, but that doesn't mean an appraiser is going to value your home that high. So as a seller, work with your listing agent to set a realistic price based on the market while also achieving your desired sale price. And lastly, local factors. Your home's value might be impacted by unique characteristics like nearby under-maintained properties, inaccurate property valuations, or neighborhood foreclosures. These elements can all contribute to a lower appraisal. Alright, so now that we know why an appraisal might come in low, let's talk about what you can do to save your home sale if this happens to you. Here are some steps you can take if you're a buyer in this situation. Request a reconsideration of value. Review the appraisal report with your real estate agent and see if there are comparable sales in the area that support a higher value. If you have strong evidence, submit a reconsideration of value or ROV. But keep in mind, this isn't always easy and you'll definitely need solid proof. Get a second appraisal. Sometimes a different perspective can make all the difference. So ask your lender if they can order a second appraisal. But keep in mind, you might end up paying for both appraisals and the result might still be the same. Number 3, negotiate the sales price. Use the low appraisal to your advantage by starting to renegotiate with the seller. They might just agree to the lower price to keep the sale moving forward. Increase the down payment. If possible, you could put more money down to cover the difference between the appraisal and the offer price. Split the difference. You and the seller can agree to split the difference between the appraised value and the sales price. And lastly, walk away. If none of these options work and the deal is no longer favorable, you may just need to consider walking away and finding a new property. Now for my sellers out there, if your home appraises for less than the offer, don't worry. Here are some strategies that you can use to navigate this situation. First, consider renovating key areas before listing your home. Updates to kitchens and bathrooms or adding a primary bedroom can significantly boost the value of your home. Now, while these are big projects, they can pay off in the long run by attracting higher offers and supporting higher appraised values. Next, provide proof of higher comps to the appraiser. Work with your real estate agent to gather recent sales data of similar homes in your area. If the appraiser missed comparable sales that support a higher value, you can submit that information as evidence. Your real estate agent will be a key resource in finding and presenting these comps. Third, be willing to negotiate. The buyer might need your help to make the purchase go through. If the buyer is willing to negotiate fairly, it might be in your best interest to lower the price or offer concessions like covering some of their closing costs to keep the deal alive. And lastly, be willing to let the buyer walk. Sometimes walking away from the deal is the best option. Depending on the market, relisting your home could attract a higher offer or even a cash offer, which could eliminate the need for an appraisal altogether. Cash buyers often waive appraisals, which leads to a smoother transaction. Remember, much of what determines your home's appraised value, like your home's age, size, and location, can't be changed. But by being proactive and strategic, you can improve your chances of a successful sale, even if the initial appraisal comes in lower than you expected.